After 40, your heart needs more support than ever. The foods you eat every day can either protect your arteries or slowly damage them. Here are 10 of the best foods for heart health after 40. Number 10. Oats. Rich in soluble fiber, oats help lower bad cholesterol and keep your arteries cleaner over time. Number 9. Blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood flow. Number 8. Salmon. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps protect the heart and may reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 7. Avocados. Full of healthy fats and potassium, avocados support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 6. Walnuts. Just a handful of walnuts contains heart-friendly fats that help reduce inflammation naturally. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium and nitrates that help improve circulation and support healthy arteries. Number 4. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats for your heart and may help reduce plaque buildup. Number 3. Tomatoes. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to better heart and artery health. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic may help lower blood pressure and improve circulation when eaten regularly. And number 1. Dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa may improve blood flow and support heart function. Your heart works non-stop every day. Taking care of it starts with what's on your plate.